It's always so much bigger than I imagined. It gets bigger and then it gets smaller, but it's a big home. I mean, you can see by the soil how we struggle to get strong founding conditions. So as you can see, these are all the pile caps for so that we can essentially cast on top of them and put ground beams in. And then if you look over here, this is a step ahead of where we're digging, and we managed to pour concrete yesterday, which is great because now the builders can finally come out the ground and have a stable base to work on. Because you can see from the site there's so much mud everywhere, and it's very loose clay that ran down this mountain. So yeah, it's been a struggle on this site to actually get founding conditions that were suitable to build on top of. So believe it or not, these huge holes are for the retaining walls that terrace down to the pool. You know, when we did the design, we didn't realize how soft the soil was and how there would be nothing to, basically there's no compacted earth to put the foundations on. So what we thought would be fairly simple retaining walls has ended up being these very deep trenches to try and find solid footing, to the point that we've actually gone down 3 meters and we still haven't hit anything solid enough to rest the retaining walls on for the pool. So we're going to end up having to tie them back into the piles that we've used on the house. And we put the house level with that tree, as I said, which is the outdoor spaces. But as it terraces down, we end up with a slightly high point on the end of this patio. And when you're standing on the end of it, I mean, the views are so dramatic towards False Bay, which was almost better than we expected. I think we knew we were designing for it, but when you actually stand here in the end and you get to the end of this patio and you realize what you're dealing with, it's just ended up being a very cool space to be on this outdoor patio.